SolidWorks enables the transformation of sketches into blocks that can be stored in the project library and used by multiple users. The procedure for performing these operations is what we will see in this class. Open the available sketch and let's get started. First, let's add the toolbar blocks for Command Manager. As we have seen, we right-click on one of the tabs, check that this bar is not in the list and click on Customize Command Manager. We click with the right mouse button on any tab and in Add tab, choose the Blocks bar from the drop-down list. We close the window and see that we have the toolbar blocks shown in the Command Manager. Look at this sketch of a connecting rod. To save it as sketch block is very easy, just select it, click on Save Sketch as Block, set a location to save and a name. We open a new file part and we will insert the created block. In the Blocks toolbar, click on Insert Block, select the front plane and click Browse to locate the saved block. We select, click Open and click on the source to position it. With each mouse click in the graphic area, a block is inserted. Alright, let's look at other block operations. We opened a new part file. In the Sketch toolbar, we select the Text tool and choose the front plane. We type Render in the text box. Imagine that Render produces several types of products, all modeled in SolidWorks and need to contain this name on a visible surface. In order not to draw the sketch on all the pieces, let's save it as a block, using the menu tools, Blocks, Save. OK, this way we can insert it into our models whenever we want. To make it even easier, let's save this block in the project library, the design library, accessed in the task pane. We fix the task pane and in the feature manager, we expand the sketch that contains the block. We select the block and then click on Add to Library, in the task pane. Note in the Property Manager, that the selected block is listed. The software defines an automatic name, but we change it to Render Block. We have confirmed the command and see that now the block is available in the design library. To insert it, simply drag and click on the graphic area. We have seen in this class how to create a block and add it to the library, making it easier to insert it into files for later work.